guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my June IPSY bag. So I already did my IPSY OS, which is the one that they send me. This is the one that I actually get to choose a couple of the items, and I have a few add-ons this time. Okay, so I have a duplicate from that box. This one is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So I said that I wasn't a big fan because it is highly perfumed. The formula itself seems to be nice, and it is a very expensive brand. I have been using it for the last several weeks now, ever since I got that first one. And I like mixing it with my products because it diffuses the scent and it hasn't irritated my skin. So as far as that goes, I do think it's a good product if you can get past the scent. The scent doesn't seem to linger either, which is good. This is from Feel, and this is the Vitamin E Lip Balm. And it's just a tube with, you know, this kind of a top, and you squeeze it out and it's just clear. It says on the IPSY description that it's like rose colored. It's not at all, it's just clear. And it does feel very nice on my lips. I actually have 3 different lip balms. So this is the one that they chose for me, and then I chose this one. This one is BALI Balm, and it's lemon and black pepper, which, I don't know, the black pepper, I was just like, oh, that sounds interesting. I gotta try that, right? So again, same kind of squeezy tube with the clear goo that comes out. It is lemony. It's not super peppery, although there is a little something in there, but it has a nice lemony hint of a scent to it. This one, by the way, is a little bit minty. This one, the plastic on here actually had a little scratchy bit, so I had to sand it off. But once I sanded it, it was fine, and I've been using it. I like the way that it feels. I like the lemoniness of it. And then this one I actually chose as an add-on. This one is from LOOKS&MEII, and it's the Infinity Sleeping Lip Mask. So it's just a tub with some goop in there. This one, you know, you fish it out with your finger, and this one is much thicker. It feels more like a petroleum jelly kind of a thing. I have been using it to sleep for the last couple of nights, and I like the way that it feels. It does seem to keep my lips hydrated. You know, I think it's one of those ones that sits on top of your lips. So what I often do is I'll take my eye cream, you know, and after I use it on my eyes, I'll just like put it on my lips just for a little added moisture, and then put something like this on so it kind of locks in that moisture and keeps my lips from drying out in the middle of the night as I'm laying there with the fan on, breathing with my mouth open, that kind of a thing. So, you know, so far so good. I like it, and it doesn't have any scent at all. Another item that I chose was this Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. I always love getting aloe gels because in the summertime, you know, we go swimming, we go to the beach, you're just outside, and inevitably somebody's getting sunburned. My children are very pale and always sunburned, so I thought that I would get this, and it seems to be just aloe gel, you know, there's nothing fancy or crazy about it. It is a gel consistency, so it's not creamy. It kind of dries a little bit on your skin, almost like, you know, it feels a little bit tacky for a while and then it dries. So it's the kind of thing that I like to use underneath another moisturizer, just because the feel of it doesn't necessarily feel super hydrating, even though I know it's got good stuff in it that's going to help heal your irritated or sunburned skin. So I'm happy to have this. I have a little nail polish duo from Fluid, and it's just an orange. This is a very pumpkin-y orange. I thought it was going to be like a more bright summery orange. Nope, this is good Halloween pumpkin orange. And then this beige color is exactly that. It is beige. In fact, you can see it on my nails. So I have the pumpkin orange and the beige on my pinky. This one has no nail polish on it, my ring finger, so you can kind of see like the beige is very close to my natural nail color. And then this one I gave some little polka dots too. I like the formula of these. They do need 2 coats, but they go on really nicely and evenly. And so far so good as far as like the chipping and all of that. I don't have a base coat or a top coat, and I painted my nails yesterday, so I'm not expecting a lot of deterioration, but you know, I like the way that it went on. So I feel like that's good, because that's usually where my problem lies, is in the application. You know, sometimes it'll be chunky or goopy or just streaky. I had none of that. And then I have one more add-on item, a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lippy. This is what I have on my lips right now. So it is Demi Matte. It's not going to dry super matte, but it's also normal liquid lipstick kind of a thing where it does get a little dry after a while. So, you know, I've got my 3 lip balms that I can use underneath it or even on top of it as the day goes through. This will absolutely 100% stain your lips, which can be a good thing, you know, because that means even when it's completely gone, you still have pink lips underneath. I love the shade. I think it's absolutely beautiful. What is the name of this? Passionista. And it's just, you know, a doe foot applicator. The applicator has like a little divot in it. So it just kind of, you know, like acts like a little bowl and it can kind of scoop around your lips. I do like the applicator. I love the formula of Huda Beauty Lippies. I have a couple of these and it's a very thin formula, so it does feel more lightweight. It's not like a thick crust on your lips. Even when it does dry down, it's very thin and still highly pigmented. So I like the formula and I love this color. And that's it, that's my IPSY for June. So let me know what you guys got in your bags. What did you think this month? How was everything? I'm liking it. Oh, by the way, the bag, very cute this month. You've got all the Pride stuff going on and all the fun colors, which I just absolutely love. So I'm happy with everything that I have. This one, because it is a second one, I'll probably just like, I don't know, give it to my sister or something. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!